Hello everyone and welcome to BISP Solutions. I am CS Anjana Mishra, working as the lead functional consultant at BISP Solutions. I specialize in synthesizing and analyzing the financial data. I have 7 years of experience in NetSuite, HFM, FCCS. BISP Solutions is a tech company providing technological solutions across the globe. We have a far-flung proficiency in end-to-end implementation and support. Today we'll be looking at creating a purchase request in the Oracle NetSuite application. So let us start. Moving on to our NetSuite application. So this is my NetSuite application. Now, in order to create a new purchase request, I will be going on to this requisition form over here. So this is the requisition form. This is the standard requisition form. You can also create a customized requisition form based on the options that you would like to see on your screen or on your form, based on your organization's preferences and choices and the information that you would like to put into the requisition forms. So the request number or the requisition form number is automatically populated by the number that is there into the system. You can also give a unique requisition number if you have. Requester, this is automatically selected from the role that you have actually logged into the application. Received by the person who will be responsible. Date of the requisition, any memo you would like to add. Over here you can select the subsidiary from which you are actually creating a purchase requisition, class, location, department. All this information you can actually provide over here. Now the approval status, if you are not the administrator, if you're not the ultimate person who holds the responsibility of approving the requisition or purchases or something, you can of course have a workflow where you request for the requisition and your superior is going to approve the requisition, and then a purchase order is created and so on. The whole workflow is actually uh, maintained or like that. But here, since I'm the ultimate approver, so I have kept the status as approved. If you are not the ultimate approver, you can get a pending approval, and you can choose who is the next approver from here, from the employee list that you have. The next approver will be, you can choose who is the superior person, who is your superior, who is going to approve the request. Now the next information that you can provide is import permit number, document date, declaration number, GST amount, that is the amount for the open air, GST, HST amount, approver for this particular open air expense, supervisor, project, report number. All of this you can actually populate into this requisition form. Now from here, if requisition is for an expense, you can actually put an expense. If it is for an item, you can of course populate an item over here. So all this is the item that I have. This is the item for which I would like to provide get a requisition from. Now most of the time when a item is created, vendor amount, the quantity, that is the rate per item, description for that particular item, etc., is automatically selected when you are creating the item, that is the inventory item for your organization. And if it is not selected, then you can of course select the vendor from the drop down list that comes over here. But most of the time the vendor, etc., all the information about the inventory item is selected into the item when it is created, because once an item is created, a supplier is already there for that, for which a new vendor is created. So, and the amount, rate per item for that particular inventory item is also prefixed most of the times. And if it is not, of course, if a new contract has been entered, etc., you can of course change the estimated amount, estimated rate, etc., over here, which is going to show up in the estimated rate, quantity, etc., which you have. So here I would like to have five quantities over here. Five quantity of this particular item I would like to request. As you can see, the estimated amount has been changed. All these things have been automatically populated. any relationships, communication, the person responsible for the vendor, any etc. Tax reporting purposes, purpose information, the tax code, the amount, supply code, date of taxability, that is the date of taxable supply, mode of transport, etc. You can of course select and put up over here. All this information can actually be populated, and once everything has been done, you can actually save the requisition. So my requisition has been saved. This one was the requisition number, as you can see over here. Document number was 6. This was the requisition that I had actually put up. I had actually put up, and I requested this particular invoice, I mean item number. The amount for that is this, and the status is pending order. The reason being, it is automatically approved. Had I put it under the pending approval, the status would have shown pending approval. And once all the order has been processed, etc., everything would have been done. As you can see, in 2-3 of the requisitions have been closed. So the requisition would have been closed once the order is placed and the billing has been done. The requisition for this particular uh, item would have been, for this particular request have been, would have been closed. So this was how you can actually create a purchase requisition. You can request purchase orders or purchase from your particular superior or any approver who is there into the organization. You can request a purchase, you can put on a purchase requisition. And so this was all into the NetSuite application that you can do. In case of any queries, questions, or any information regarding the NetSuite application, you can of course get back to us at www.bispsolutions.com. Thank you so much.